This is better than lip injections. Akala ko high-end brand to, pero 178 pesos lang pala. Let's unbox Cloud Beauty products. So I got 03W and 04 flexing na shade. Look at this packaging, guys. Parang hindi local brand yung quality niya. And ang bigat niya, ha. Glossy and may heart detail pa sa cap. Super luxe tingnan. This is the Cloud Beauty Gelic Lip Gloss. Here is the flexing. Try natin sa lips. Wow. Naka-lip liner na pala ako. Super bagay ito sa no makeup look. Ang bango niya, para siyang candy. Grabe yung shine, guys. Parang glass lips talaga siya without being sticky. Lightweight siya and hindi malagkit. Plus, may vitamin E, so hydrating sa lips all day. Shade 03W. Ganda niya. Ang ganda ng pagka-rosy niya. Packaging pa lang, panalo na. Tapos ganito pa yung performance. Super sulit.